Hello YouTube, Midge on it, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of Screencast Matic. This is going to be a tutorial as well, and it will help you using the software. Now, I've already loaded it up already because my computer takes so long to just do anything on my computer. So what I did first was I used Google Chrome, which is important as in Explorer doesn't really work with Screencast Matic. I mean it does, but the recording does not work great, if you know what I mean. So the first thing you do is you go to Screencast-O-Matic on the search bar, and this should be the first result, screencast-o-matic.com. If you go here, I'm going to go into the main site now, which is this, Screencast-O-Matic, and all this is a one-click screen capture for desktop computers on here. This is for Windows or Mac with no install. Oh, investment, right? It's free. So yes, it's for free. This is doesn't cost me anything. Doesn't need to do anything. So when you click this button, which is the start recording button, it will then take you to a screen where you'll need to accept any plugins that will come up. Like here, for example, there'll be a plugin. If it's blocked, then you need to accept the plugin in order to record because it will need the plugin. After that, you'll see two screens saying Big Nerd Software. You need to click them both twice. There will be two screens, and you click Run. There will be another one to come up. If you click Run, it will come to this, which is what I'm on right now because it takes so long on my computer to even get started. But anyway, now I'm up here, I can show you what I'm about to do, which is about to record. So let me just take that away a bit easier to see on this my desktop background. So this is the record button, which I'm going to be using in a minute to record. I can alternately use Alt P to do a recording. Then this button is for the microphone, and it can detect my microphones on the computer. I mean, there's my headset at the top, and then here's my laptop mic, which is really bad. I've been using my old videos well before. And there's off, should turn it off because what's the point? It just wastes space. And there's this microphone volume which doesn't even work. Then there's the screen size to capture. 4HD is best option for YouTube uploads. So it would tell you the size of the capture, like that's full screen at the moment. And there's Full HD, which is this whole thing here. Then there's Medium HD, which is a little bit smaller. And there's Small HD, which I don't think is in HD anymore. It's just so small that it's not even HD resolution. I think it means 16 by 9. That's the sort of resolution. And this is the 4 by 3 resolution. 800 by 600. Then there's the 640 by 480. I'm going to be using this for the recording, just to give a quick idea. Although you can drag these out a bit, and you can drag them out further or thinner if you want. But yeah, you can do that. So I'm just going to record a quick bit of my YouTube screen for a minute, and I'm going to start recording now. So you press this button. There's webcam. Don't need webcam. Press this button. Anything within that line gets recorded. Look, I'm just going to be moving my cursor around really fast. Then I'm going to go back up to the top of the screen. Round, 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 round. Like that. Press done when you're done recording. That's what you do. And when you're done that, you can play the recording. Look, there's a cursor and a mouse halo that's around the screen. There's this my weird mouse cursor. And here there are some options when we want to do the recording. Screencast-O-Matic, which is another video sharing site, which is nowhere near, like YouTube, which is probably where everyone goes on to do the recording. You can actually edit the video in your own editor if you've got an editor, like Movie Maker or something like that. You can edit in there. Do not, whatever you do, click this button, because that means you're happy to delete the recording. Don't do that, please. You click this button, publish the video file. Then there's some more options here. Video type, so it just gives you a type of file. It's AVI, FLV, or GIF, GIF files. I kind of use MP4 because it's easy to use, it's sharing quicker, and also it takes up less space on your computer. You can use the size of your video, like HD. This is HD video, 720p, and you can rescale this. You can add notes. captions files. Don't do that. It takes a lot of time. And then you can options. You can go down here and check your options if you want that. You can always check here what happens to the video. I'll leave that to you to decide what you want to do. But anyway, this better work. This screencast. I'm just going to call it Screencast Test. This better work because the last time it didn't work, and this needs to work. Yes, it's actually working for once. So here is the recording, and when it's saved, it will save onto your computer. This bit takes a bit long, but it's the longest time to even get this done. But yeah, right. I'm just gonna minimize this and just leave it to its own accord. Now it'll probably be done. Oh, there we are. It's done. So now what you do, you close it. So what you do, you close the Dan, and that's it. Your recording is done. Just to prove I've done a recording, I'm now gonna go to my documents. There's some secret stuff in here. Let's go my media account. Then I go videos. And here it is, Screencast Test, and I'm going to show it on Windows Media Player, because that's all I have on this computer. It's so bad. And look, here's my video. Here's my video. Oh, a quick thing to notice, every video that has this, if I can go to full screen, yeah, every video has this at the bottom, which is screencast.matic.com. It has the little watermark at the bottom. That's what you get in the free version. In the paid version, which is $15 a month, US dollars a month, you don't have the watermark. But you can upgrade if you want. It's still cheap for what it is, screen recording. I mean, the one I'm using is way more, but I don't want to tell you how much more it is, because then it's kind of defeating the purpose of getting this sort of recording. But the fortunate with this thing is I can record for a long period of time at once, so I can make great videos. But if you're a first time starting off on YouTube, or you just want to like a quick easy recording, Screencast Matic is your best bet. And I'm going to end the video there because I just showed you how to use Screencast. And I didn't want to show you the first part loading it all up because it took 5 minutes to do that on my computer, when it should have taken about 10 seconds. I'll tell you that's how this computer is. Okay, as you can probably tell, I'm also really ill, so I don't know why I'm making these videos. But anyway, if you enjoyed my video, then why not leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.